Want to fix failed to load due to an incomplete installation in GTA 5 Enhanced? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to Los Santos. Let's dive in. First things first, this error clearly indicates that your game files are corrupted or incomplete, preventing GTA 5 Enhanced from launching. Now, the most crucial step is to verify the integrity of your game files through your game launcher. Rockstar Games Launcher, go to Settings, then My Installed Games, select GTA 5 and click Verify Integrity. Steam, right-click GTA 5 in your library, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Epic Games Launcher, go to Library, click the three dots next to GTA 5 and select Verify. This process will scan your game files, identify any missing or corrupted ones, and re-download them. This is the most common fix for this error. Next, ensure you have sufficient disk space on the drive where GTA 5 is installed. An incomplete installation can occur if you run out of space during download or setup. Make sure you have at least 100 gigabytes of free space. You'll also want to disable your antivirus or firewall temporarily during the verification or reinstallation process. Sometimes security software can mistakenly quarantine or block game files. Finally, if verifying files doesn't work, a full reinstallation of GTA 5 Enhanced Edition is usually necessary. Completely uninstall the game, restart your PC or console, and then reinstall it from scratch. This ensures a clean set of game files. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more GTA 5 tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.